To edit the checkout page on Shopify, start by logging into your Shopify admin account and navigating to the Settings section. From there, click on Checkout to access the checkout settings. In the checkout settings, you can customize various aspects of the checkout process, such as the checkout language, currency, and payment gateways. You can also add or remove fields from the checkout form, like the company name or address line 2. To edit the checkout page layout and design, click on the Customize Checkout button. This will take you to the theme editor, where you can modify the layout, add or remove sections, and customize the styling. You can also add custom content to the checkout page, such as a banner or a message, by clicking on the Add Section button and selecting the type of content you want to add. To make your checkout page more secure, make sure to enable two-factor authentication and ensure that your checkout is SSL certified. This will give your customers confidence in the security of your checkout process. Best practices for editing the checkout page include keeping the design simple and intuitive, minimizing the number of fields and steps, and ensuring that the checkout process is optimized for mobile devices. By following these steps and tips, you can create a seamless and secure checkout experience for your customers, which can help to increase conversions and reduce cart abandonment rates. Additionally, you can use Shopify apps to further customize and enhance the checkout experience, such as adding trust badges or offering gift wrapping options. Overall, editing the checkout page on Shopify is a straightforward process that can have a significant impact on your store's conversion rates and customer satisfaction.